Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the new CapCut feature, CapCut AI Lab. So CapCut just dropped the AI Lab and it's packed with powerful new features. Here, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start using CapCut AI Lab like a pro. So once you open CapCut on mobile, you'll see at the bottom there will be this AI Lab feature. So when you click on it, you'll see this page, AI Lab. So by going to AI Lab, you'll see you can create AI story. There are AI story maker. You can turn scripts into stunning videos. There are auto cuts, AI generators. So you can use it to create a video with AI effects, AI video, AI avatar, and AI poster.
Yeah,
And here,
Mama, yeah.
and if you scroll down, there are also templates, video templates that you can select and you can use it. For example, this Mew Donald. So when you click on it, you'll see the preview of the video. As you guys can see, a cat is becoming a McDonald's crew. So if you want to try using this templates right here, you can click on try AI template, and here is the prompt: a cute anthropomorphic cat working at McDonald's wearing a red and yellow. And here this is the realistic films in the style, and you can just click on this to generate the result. Or you can also here, if you scroll down, there's also fiction stories or virals AI videos like this fake boyfriend video. So you can turn your selfie into this video with a fake boyfriend. And here is the prompt: a person appears hugging. These people may appear to be of a different nationality, skin color, with warm smile and matching outfit. And here, if you scroll down again, there are all religious videos. You can see there are videos about history in the for example, Christianity, and facts you don't know about history on, or maybe a dinosaur in here. And there's also inspirative quotes or news video like this one. So you can also just use try AI template, and here you can click on this to generate the result, and now it will create the video. So that's the new AI lab in CapCut mobile. Thank you guys so much for watching. What do you think of this new feature on CapCut? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.